Vina, Aram, 𝐒𝐴𝐿 from 6th grade, and the topic is what's wrong with our food system. So welcome. So applaud her, please.
Hello everyone. Today I'll talk about what's wrong with our food system. Before we start, I know you all guys might be wondering, why did I choose this topic? Well, I chose this topic because nowadays the quality of our food is getting lower and lower and lower. On the other hand, the food price is getting higher and higher and higher. Our food system is very wrong. It needs to be fixed by us, the people around us, governments and presidents, and even companies and farmers. First of all, I would like to talk about junk food and sugar. We all know how harmful is junk food and sugar. Let me all tell you one fact about junk food and sugar you might not know about. First of all, junk food can cause cancer cells, while the sugar will spread the cancer cells even more, which unfortunately will cause cancer. So, it can cause death. Have you ever wondered that our healthy food is actually bad side food? Let me tell you why. Imagine you come home from school and your mom asks you to go to the grocery store to buy the food list inside your to-do list. So, you will do that like how a normal person would do. But the thing you don't know is that companies are hiding a very big secret from us. Let me tell you worst hidden ingredients that might be hidden inside the food. Aspartate, HFCH, which stands for high fructose corn syrup, BHA and BHT, sodium nitrates and nitrites. What about preservate? Preservate is a chemical that companies are using so that it will help to prevent the decomposition of microbial organisms. It also helps the food to stay a little longer. But the thing they don't care about is it can cause cancer or many other harmful diseases. What about, you might ask, what about fruits and vegetables? Well, they don't come from companies, do they? Nah. But fruits and vegetables, nowadays farmers will use genetic seeds because our normal seeds is way too expensive. They cannot handle it. For example, the seed of a tomato comes from the DNA of a fish. What about when they plant this genetic seed? It will grow into a seedling. When it grows into a seedling, they don't want harmful varieties of plants and animals to ruin that, so they will use harmful chemicals instead, such as herbicides, pesticides, and fertilizers. Well, let me tell you the diseases that's caused by herbicides, pesticides, and fertilizers. Cancer, which is the most serious disease. Genetic damages, and even the death of organisms exposed. So is our healthy human body, let's say for now. Acid rain is a very bad cause nowadays. It's caused by pollution. You might ask, what is acid rain? Acid rain is precipitation resulting of nitric and sulfuric acid. That means nitric and sulfuric acid originally comes from pollution. Pollution nowadays is made from cars, fossil fuels, and many other things. When the acid rain rains, it will produce damage for us, the people around us, and even our food and water. So my friends, before you drink your water or use it in a daily life, be aware that it's actually filtered well enough to use it or drink it. Because let's be honest, who wants to pay for these expensive big treatments of hospitals? Thanks everyone, and hopefully you will have a good time.